Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Peng token. Now the Peng token is a new token on the Solana blockchain. This is a brand new meme coin, and it was just announced they are getting a couple brand new central exchange listings, and we're going to go over the information on the Peng token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Peng token. So, Peng, it was just announced. It says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Peng soon. It says, hi, I'm Peng. People tell me I look like Pepe. I tell them I'm a penguin. So it says, keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. And then I just saw today, upcoming new listing, Peng will be listed on Lbank as well. So they don't give exact dates yet. So I would follow Lbank's Twitter at Lbank_exchange. Or I would follow Bitmart at Bitmart Exchange on X, and they'll announce exactly when the date is that it's going to be listed and the time. And then when it does get listed, you could download Lbank or Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Peng, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this is a Solana token. So if you don't want to get this token off Lbank or Bitmart, if you're looking to get the token before it gets listed on there, or maybe those exchanges are not available in your area, you can get this token off a decentralized exchange called Raydium. So first you would get a wallet like a Phantom wallet or a Coinbase, Coin98, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any decentralized wallet that has Sol. Fund your wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps and then find Raydium. And then you would change your Sol for the Peng token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, pengsol.xyz. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll have a look at that in a second here. Now they are partners with CoinMarketCap, Dex Screener, Gotbit, and Dex Tools. So for the chart, you could you'll be able to see this token on Dex Tools, on Dex Screener, all sorts of places. So you can actually just go to Dex Tools now and see if it is listed on there. Punch in Peng. See if it pops up. Pretty sure I did see it listed on there. There it is right there. So you can look at the chart right now on Dex Tools. And the Raydium pool here has $402,740 liquidity. Market cap for this project right now is $12 million. They have over 6,310 holders. Circulating supply, 100 million tokens. 24-hour trading volume is $27.5 thousand. And they have 1.41 thousand pooled Sol in Raydium. So they have on Dex Tools, the cool thing is they have a quick audit on there by Quick Intel that you can check out. So it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and there's no other risks, it says. So keep in mind that's just a quick audit, but the good thing is that there is no warnings on it whatsoever. So you can find this token also listed on SolScan. It says they have 6 decimal places on this token. Token price right now is about 12.79 cents per token. And yeah, their current supply is just basically a little bit under 100 million. It's a deflationary token. And you can check out all the transactions there on their SolScan. So, Peng. Hi, I'm Peng. People tell me I look like Pepe, but I am a penguin. Now, you can find their socials linked on their webpage. It says, welcome to Peng, the icy addition to the Solana blockchain. Our small yet mighty penguin, with a hint of Pepe the Frog, brings a fresh breeze of creativity to the degen world of Solana. As the newest and freshest meme token, Peng is here to spice things up. Join us and bring warmth and gather liquidity to the frosty Solana chain. So it says no taxes, mint and freeze revoked, liquidity burned, and total supply 100 million tokens. They give you a step-by-step how to buy on their webpage using a Phantom wallet and Raydium. If you didn't understand what I said, go to their webpage and follow those steps there. It says slide into our community, join our Telegram, and follow us on X for the latest updates. And warm welcome from our friendly community. Let's guide towards millionaires together and enjoy the memes and artwork in the process. So, Peng is a cute little penguin born on the Solana blockchain. People think he looks like Pepe, however, he's just a penguin. Now, it says, we plan to go to the billions. However, meme tokens have huge risks, so always do your own research and yes, do your due diligence. And it says, Peng was made by a fan and has no value. Don't risk money you are afraid of losing. The price may go up or it may go down, and we are not responsible for the price of this token. So always read the disclaimers, of course. And follow their Telegram at Peng on Sol. Has 1,015 subscribers on there. You could preview the channel if you like. And their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner there, Peng on Solana, has a link to their Telegram, link to their webpage on there. Just joined in February 2024, 36 tweets, 2,131 followers, and it has their contract address in their pinned tweet also, and a couple links on there, link to Raydium. So they just tweeted out 14 hours ago that this token is now trading on Raydium, so that's how brand new this project is, just in general. So go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.